Between body odor, mouth odor, and snoring, which one can you tolerate for the sake of love? I will go first. My dear, snore for me. Snore for me, my dragon. Sing beautiful melodies into my ears, darling. Sing. Ma worry, you can snore. I will even help you harmonize. Go. I'll do. Yes, I will help you. I will help you harmonize, because who is going to be smelling with you in public? Who is going to be smelling with you in... You want me to take you out and your mouth is going to be smelling? God forbid. You're going to have body... Please, my dear, God forbid. Over here, we are known as never to be caught unfresh.